Someone asked me once in an interview, what was growing up like, where'd you go to school, and what would you do if you weren't doing this? I'd be driving my first car in a worn out Dodge, trying to make rent with a dead-end job, just making do. Tips in a jar, my guitar in an old bar stool. I'd have a Friday night crowd in the palm of my hand, couple brown liquor, couple buddies in the band, singing them same damn songs like I am now. I'd be feeling on fire on a hardwood stage, bright lights like lightning running through my veins, at the Grand Ole Opry or a show in some no-name town. Still be doing this if I wasn't doing this. I'd still be the same guy they knew back in the day, who was burning CDs just to give away, paying his dues.
What's the best thing about today? You're here. Wow, that's really nice. How about you? You look really
I'm here. Drone videotape.
So, what's the best thing about today?
Claire falling off the vehicle and falling off, and her phone falling off in front of everyone. And embarrassing herself.
Yeah, that was really fun. How about you?
Probably it was really fun before I fell off. Yeah, and was freaking.
Okay, let's go interview some people. What's the best part about today?
The best part about today is family and friends, and that we're all together, enjoying each other's company and having a lot of laughs.
I agree. Thank you very much. What's the best part about today?
Food.
What's the best part about today?
Cool. I agree.
The best part about today is seeing so many happy faces, especially the children. It's all about the children. They come and have fun.
What's the best part about today?
Hanging out with friends.
I agree. How about you?
I agree.
Thank you. What's the best part about today?
The pig.
What's the best part about today?
Nothing.
Oh.
Being with your family and your friends and enjoying the beautiful weather.
I'd say probably the food.
About today is hanging out with friends and eating some good pig.
What has been your favorite part about the pig roast?
Ice cream eating contest.
How are you enjoying this ride? It's really fun, but Aaliyah's a bad driver.
Hey, Ed!
I agree with her.
That's not my question.
The best part about today?
Yeah.
The food, 100%. The food.
Yeah, I agree. How about you?
The food.
I agree.
It's amazing.
Food.
Okay, that's a common answer.
What is this? Drew! Dude, he's giving me 0. Not that. 10.
What's your video at?
I'm not in.
Oh, I got you, bro. I got you.
Riley!
You're out.
No, hit.
Oh! I didn't know.
Oh.
Good man.
Good job.
Ball!
We're on our way out here.
That got any trouble was the one in the back. But it's okay.
Is that a GoPro? What's up, Pittsburgh?
What's your favorite part about today?
Eating the pig.
It ain't about the fame, it ain't about the fortune, it ain't about the name, it ain't about the glory. I guess I'm saying it's always been about having a Friday night crowd in the palm of my hand, cup of brown liquor, cup of buddies in the band, singing them same damn songs like I am now. I'd be feeling on fire on a hardwood stage, bright lights like lightning Someone asked me once in an interview, what was growing up like? Where'd you go to school? And what would you do if you weren't doing this?
You can't do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Sitting at the bar, sipping on a regular Coke. We were drinking and smoking and making him the butt of our jokes. We all said, man, what happened to you? why can't you just have a few? He said I would if I could, but it's probably best that I don't. 'Cause the more I drank, the more I drank, then I'm the world's greatest lover and a dancing machine. I get loud, I get proud, and it gets worse. Well, if I have one, I'll have 13. Now there ain't no in between. 'Cause the more I drink, the more I drink. A couple of cold ones and somebody hands me a shot. Hell, even bucktooth and bow-legged women start looking hot. And pretty soon I'm bumming cigarettes and sweet-talking some big brunettes. Yeah, once I get on a roll, there ain't no telling where I'll stop. 'Cause the more I drink, the more I drink, then I'm the world's greatest lover and a dancing machine. I get loud, I get proud, and it gets worse. Yeah, if I have one, I'll have 13. Now there ain't no in between. 'Cause the more I drink,